Mapapalingon ka talaga sa timeless scooter na to. Introducing one of our latest models this 2025. NXT Porto, ang super cool e-bike na for sure magiging next collection mo. Head turner talaga ang NXT Porto na retro ang design but powered with electric motor. Kumbaga, timeless scooter, cockpit power. Bukod sa timeless style nito, panalo din ng mga features. Meron itong battery na may 72 volts and 20 ampere, motor with 2,000 watts, range from 50 up to 70 kilometers, speed 50 kilometers per hour, with a capacity of 150 kilos, charging time of 6 to 8 hours. Meron itong tires na 100 by 80 by 12, and dahil matigas ang sidewall nito, hindi ka bibitinin kahit maplatan ka. May disc brake front and rear. Meron din itong regenerative charging na kusang nagcha-charge when you brake or freewheel. Digital panel display. May makapal at komportableng upuan. Anti-theft alarm. LED ang headlights. May USB charging and may front and rear hydraulic shock absorber. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.